Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about using Microsoft OneNote and also OneNote for the classroom, or Class Notebook they call it. OneNote for me has I've been using it for probably 12 years now, long time, maybe even longer since it first came out. Let's go into how to get into using Microsoft OneNote. Just take a look at it. If let's say I'm a teacher, I'm in Outlook, and I go to the little app selector here. I'm going to click on OneNote, or you can go to Office 365. From here, you can choose OneNote, Class Notebook. We're going to probably start a Class Notebook. If your students are getting into it, let's go into a Google page here. If you have them type in portal.office.com, then that will also get them to sign in. Goes through the splash screen of the single sign-on for the state, and then you get into this. To create a class notebook, I just simply click on it, and we're going to go to Create Class Notebook. All right, you can't have any special characters like periods or dashes or anything else, apostrophes. So let's move on to the next. And it says, hey, here's what we're going to give you. You're going to give you a collaboration space, content library, and student notebooks. Let's go to next. You can invite other students, or I'm sorry, you can invite other teachers to join your class. Also, you can invite students right away. So I'm going to invite a test student. And there's my test middle school student. I'm going to click on next. Here's what they're going to see. And here's what you're going to see versus what they see. Let's hit create. And then we'll move on to the next section to explain a little bit more. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the like button down below. Please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell if you do. That way when new content's pushed out, you'll be the first to know. Thanks.